Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Here you can see I'm on ESPN official site just because of we are going to show you how you can actually turn off the closed caption on ESPN Plus. So if you are using ESPN Plus, then here is the option how you can actually enable or disable captions and subtitles. So for English language subtitles are available on most English language videos. Similarly, Spanish language subtitles are available on most Spanish language videos. That's we all know. So here you can see step for enabled closed may vary a bit by device. On most devices, look for CC button on the video player, but to toggle them on or off. So that's mean if your CC button is highlighted, then you have to simply click on it for once, then it will turn off your CC or turn off the closed caption on ESPN Plus. So you just need to, if you find that your video is running on closed caption or caption are automatically appearing on video, then you have to simply click on that CC button for once to turn off the closed caption on your ESPN Plus. So that's pretty much simple, and you can get this CC button in your player. So search for it player at the side of at the bottom right side or the bottom left side beside the play pause button, and you can find it easily like YouTube. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.